I don't think I have to rewire it. Nope. Let's see if the sound play. Oh, that look dope, y'all. It look really dope.
Don't be talking like a drug, nigga. And so fast, man, my shorty's never bug, nigga. He be talking.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, I would like to welcome you to our family, you feel me? Now, before we get started, I need y'all to turn y'all phone straight. Click that like button. And while you're there, hit the subscribe button and turn that post notification bell to all, the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Then watch this video all the way to the end, and once you get to my end screen where I'm playing basketball, you will see my last video I posted pop up. Click on that video and then hit the like button on that video too, you feel me? Like I said, it's free, it don't cost y'all nothing, and it helps us out together. The more I grow, the more I can bring to y'all, the more I can do for y'all, you feel me? All that good stuff, you feel me? So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, and hit that share button. You feel me? Share this to somebody you know, to a family, friend, anybody. Just share the video so we can keep growing, you feel me? Now, this video, I didn't want to change this radio because I actually like this radio, you feel me, a lot. It's unplugged right now, my EQ's unplugged. I like this radio, but we're gonna be go ahead and upgrading it. The only reason why I'm changing it is because it won't fit, because I don't want to cut this up. This is the original centerpiece right here that go over the radio and stuff, and the AC and the cigarette port lighter. Now, I didn't want to change the radio, but since that radio won't fit with this on, we upgrading. So I got a 9-inch screen, 9-inch radio screen, 1080 full HD. You can mirror your phone, especially like Apple CarPlay, but I think it's an Android. Now, I got this for my birthday. My pops got it for me for my birthday, so shout out to my pops, y'all. So like I said, I didn't want to really change this radio just because I literally just hooked it up, but we got to upgrade. So this one, it will fit with this on there. It's gonna be poking out, which I didn't really like, but I really don't have a choice. I want to run a TV screen in here, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna rock out with the 9-inch screen. So let me go ahead and do a quick little unboxing for y'all. Sorry if it's a little shaky, trying to set y'all up. Quick little unboxing, real quick. This there. So we got a mic. Don't know what that's for. Fly starting to come again, bro. Gosh. So like I said, a mic. We got a backup cam. Now, I might end up hooking that up on a later day. I'm not gonna do that right now because for when I have to run the wires and stuff. So when I take up the carpet and stuff, or get ready to do my subwoofers, then I might go ahead and run the backup cam. I'm sorry if it's a little shaky, y'all. I got you on my legs. And here go the manual with the wires. And I don't know what this red wire is for, but it got a little plug-in piece. So, and then we got the 9-inch screen, so we got us a big boy, you feel me? Now, I know y'all thinking, how would the 9-inch fit if your original radio that you put in there won't fit? So, the back, that's why. So y'all can see that. So the screen part will pop out, and then this is the back. Now, like I said, my dad got this, where it got a protective screen on it too. I'm gonna leave that on there for now. Like I said, my dad got this for me, so I don't know how much he got for it, or how much he paid for it, but yeah, we got us a 9-inch screen, touch buttons, no pressing on it, just a little touch. And then we got USB port and home screen, volume up, back, power button, mic, reset. Pretty dope little screen, you feel me? So it's gonna be replacing that one, just like that. This screen got a mirror finish on it too, bro. So it's gonna be just like that. Gonna be replacing this one. So let's go ahead and get into it. Like I said, hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, that way y'all be notified every time I drop. And like I said, let's go ahead and get into it. Hopefully it don't take me too long, but yeah, we finna rock out. And I went ahead and went to Harbor Freight and invested in some wire strippers. Me and my pops have a lot of them. It's just, I think my pops got them all with him in like his truck or something. So yeah, I just went ahead and got this. It was like $6 and I needed one, so we go ahead and I went ahead and got one. So yeah, like I said, let's get into this video to get everything organized, get my tools out that I need, and I'm gonna come back right back to y'all. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and get started in this. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and take these screws out of here so we can get this radio out the way, and I can put this radio back in the box. So if I get another car, I can go ahead and reuse this radio. So this is, like I said, it's a brand new radio. It's a really good radio. So yeah, I'm still gonna use it. I'm gonna sit y'all up here. Maybe y'all can get a better angle. See how I can do this so y'all can get a better angle. Yeah, I think that's better than how we was doing it. So I'm gonna have to redo all of these wires again. All of these wires again, bro. That's one thing I was not prepared to do. Just have to redo all these wires. Go ahead and pull this radio out just so I can make sure. I have to redo all these wires. So the power at the bottom, because these might be the same. Oh, I might not have to redo all the wiring. Seeming like these are the same. Maybe I don't have to rewire it. Let's see, where's my car key? Oh, I don't think I have to rewire it. Nope. Let's see if the sound play. Oh, that look dope, y'all. It look really dope. I don't think I do. The only thing I need to fix is, ooh, do I have Apple CarPlay? Oh, don't tell me I got Apple CarPlay. Hold on now. Don't tell me I got Apple CarPlay on this thing. Nah, this radio is dope, y'all. Let me bring y'all a little bit closer. Alright, let's Bluetooth this. Car BT. Let it go to my, oh snap, I think we got Apple CarPlay because my dang, I just lost my train of thought. My GPS tagged on there, and they usually don't do it on my phone unless I got Apple CarPlay or something. Let me see. AV. Nah, this thing is dope, y'all. Car mirror, parking, auto, mobile. Oh yeah, I'm trying to learn this thing. Okay, there you go. Dang it. Turn the bass. I ain't gonna turn the bass all the way up. Turn that all the way up. Turn loud on. Go back. Bluetooth. I got my car on a battery charger, so we should be good. And then I'm gonna go to CapCut because I don't want to get copyrighted on this. Oh, that's dope. I don't even have to change my wiring. I'm pretty happy about that. Yep, everything worked. Ooh, I just disconnected my phone. Okay, there it go. Oh, stop. Stop. Trying to get me copyrighted. Alright, there we go. Alright, I want to turn it off and then see if my memory stay. If not, I'm gonna have to, like I said before, fix that blue wire, because a couple people told me that blue wire was for the memory to stick. So let's go turn it back on. That blue is dope because it's gonna match the color of the car, bro. That's so hard, bro. I'm so happy I don't have to change none of the wiring. It's a big plus. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the radio too, man. Let me know if y'all like the radio. Okay, so yeah, my memory's still not sticking, but at least we got the radio. So now I just need to put it up. Try to set y'all back up. Good. So now I know that all work. I can put all this stuff back, and I can save these wires for the old radio. You feel me? So let's see if I can. How I can do this. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna have to take the wires off. Ooh, I hope I can get this thing going. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna have to see what this blue will go to. I'm gonna have to look at the manual. So yeah, let me try and get this stuff situated, y'all. Then I'm gonna come back to y'all. Plus side, I did not have to rewire none of that stuff. I'm sweating, it's hot. Yeah, so like I said, it's a big plus. I did not have to redo all those wires, but I am gonna add a couple wires because I want to hook up my rear deck speakers next video. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and hook up them wires so it'll already be prepared and ready. All I gotta do is hook up the speakers, you feel me? So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna get this situated and then try to get it mounted up. Then I'm gonna come back to y'all, let y'all see the final result. So like I said, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on. That way y'all be notified every time I drop. And I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so I've been struggling trying to get this to stay up there. So I'm end up like ordering some like little kit to hold the radio up for this, because the little kit that I got, yeah, it ain't come with nothing to really hold the radio in there. But I got a little temporary setup, and I need to get some clips to push so that'll stay in. But temporary little setup, but bro, that look dope. Look at that, man. It looks so hard. So let's go ahead and turn it back on. Bro, that looks so hard. Like I said, it's temporary setup. Then my EQ gonna be right under it, like sort of like that. Y'all can't really tell, but sort of like it a little bit to where I can see my EQ. So yeah, I still gotta get that mounted. I fixed some of the memory, but all of it's not sticking. I had to unplug it, so that's why it ain't sticking now. But turn that back. Go hear the Bluetooth. Like my phone still automatically connects and stuff. See? But we got everything working. Speakers working up here on both ends, and bro, look at that. It looks so hard. Me just driving and got this huge 9-inch screen just right here, bro. It's so dope. I'm like I said, I'm really falling in love with this car. I love this car so much, and bro, we just moving along with everything now. You feel me? So like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think about this big radio in here. I know it's a little oversized. I didn't want to go this big, but kind of didn't have a choice because I wanted a TV screen radio right here. Since, you feel me, I ain't got no TVs in like I do in my box. So I wanted a TV screen right here regardless. Yeah, pretty dope, man, pretty dope. And it showed the music and stuff. Hard, bro. Turn turn it off, cut right off. It's so dope, bro. It's so hard. So yeah, let me clean up a little bit. Like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think about my screen. I'm gonna have to get like some clips or something to go behind there so it'll hold that in, keep falling a little bit. And then I gotta find a dash kit that'll really hold the radio in place, you feel me? I got a little temporary setup, you feel me, but I need a permanent setup, so because I don't want to keep doing temporary stuff, you feel me? Now this radio is permanent. It's not gonna be leaving, not gonna be going anywhere. So yeah, like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think about the big screen. I'm happy I didn't have to redo the wires, but I'm gonna use the wires that came with this one to go with that one, so it's another plus. Yeah, the car gotta be on. Okay, so yeah, like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think about it, and I'm finna clean up a little bit and I'll be right back to y'all. All right, y'all, so that's gonna be the end of this one. Like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think about the big screen radio, big 9-inch screen radio, all touch, no buttons, which is really dope, bro. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I think it's a little oversized, but in a lot of people old school cars, I have been seeing them have this big screen TV in them, so we're gonna rock out with it, you feel me? It's the only TV screen that I have that'll fit the original dash, because I don't want to change it, I don't want to cut it. So yeah, we got that in. Y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Like I said, y'all please let me know what y'all think about it. I value y'all opinions on everything, you feel me? Everything I do with these cars, I value y'all opinion, because like I said, I ain't just getting into cars. I've always been into cars, but I'm just learning more about the cars. So if y'all get what I'm saying, I don't know if y'all get what I'm saying, but y'all might get what I'm saying. But like I said, I appreciate y'all for tuning in with me. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Let me know what y'all think about the big screen TV. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on. That way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the video, share the channel so we can keep growing. It's gonna be it for this one. I'll catch y'all on the next one.